Hello everyone, great day. I'm Suelen Sampaio, the real estate manager of Nomad Capitalist, and today we are in Dubai. Yes, in Dubai, as you can see in my background. And I will show you very good opportunities in this market. But first, I will show you the reasons why Dubai is a hot market. I can tell you many reasons for sure, but I will select some. For example, Dubai attracts expats from all over the world. 80% of the population in Dubai is expat, is international. Dubai has a great weather all year round. Dubai has many job opportunities, high salaries and low taxes. Those things motivate people to come to Dubai, to move to Dubai and enjoy this expat lifestyle. No income tax, many tax residents here. It's easy and fast to open a company here, for example, and our company can guide you on this. If you become one of our clients, we can do the best to make a very good plan for you according to your needs. Maybe you're thinking, but I would like to move, but Suelen, I would like to move with my family, so I think that Dubai is not for me. No, but I can tell you that yes, it's for you as well. Here we have good education. English is spoken everywhere. Dubai, as a resident, I can tell you this, that Dubai is that kind of place that was created to welcome and please everyone, all styles. So if you, for example, work with crypto, or if you have another kind of activity, it's not a problem. So if you want to invest, this market's pretty hot all year round. I will show you very good opportunities where you, for example, can apply for the property investor visa. So Dubai is a place for everyone. If you want to live alone, if you want to move with your family, Dubai is one of the safest places in the world. And here you will find a vibrant social life with many restaurants, bars, clubs, things for kids, things for adults. You will find many attractions. And Dubai is in constant progress. And for sure, it's a place that will always impress you. So, but you can think, but Suelen, but why are you telling me all these things? I'm telling you all these things because everything is connected with real estate for sure. Because, for example, many tourists coming and leaving all the time. The cost of accommodation here is expensive. So for sure you have here a higher rental yields. And everything is connected with real estate. So I'm telling you all these things just to show you how this market is really hot. Interesting thing now that I'm sure that you will like. Anything designed to live in is of 0% VAT. And now I will show you two good opportunities that you can buy, for example, and apply for the property investor visa. So let's go. Welcome to Dubai Creek Harbor. And I'm here with our partner here in Dubai, Russia. And she will show us the property and we'll talk about this market, this area. That is an amazing area. And Russia, please show us the apartment.
Yeah, we just entered here. We have on the left side the kitchen. The new concept is open kitchen, and this is spacious comparing to any new project, as we have a lot of storage place. We have the home appliances here. This is not a common thing. This is not applicable in all projects, but here it is. And then we have living and dining room with panoramic view over the creek. As you see, the old trend where people have walls and then bigger windows in the middle, it's gone. Glass all the way and then entrance to the balcony.
Amazing, because we can have a full view. There we can see the sea, and there the sea, and the area here. and it's very bright. The apartment's very bright.
Yes.
So it's a kind of property that I really like when we just come and see the view and feel that's bright and not that kind of dark
You feel
apartment.
the energy.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. It's amazing, amazing.
So over here we have Address Hotel, 5-star hotel. On the
Here.
back side of the building, we have a public park, beautiful one. It will be opening very soon. And as you see, between the buildings, we have amazing, breathtaking views over the old part of Dubai, where everything started.
So now let me show you the master bedroom. Here we have the wardrobes that save space. And this is the master bedroom. And where we have more wardrobes. In this way it's cute because we can save space in the bedroom. It's a large bedroom, by the way, compared to other constructions. So from the master bedroom, it's possible to have the amazing view of the sea and the old Dubai. And now let's come to the other bedroom. Here we have the bathroom, and I really like the finishes. And with views again. In this apartment, it's possible we check the view, we enjoy the view from the whole apartment. The whole apartment is possible we check these. And the same kind of wardrobes where we can save space. It's pretty important. Please tell me about the price of this property. Why this kind of a property is one that the investors usually like? Because I'm really feeling good here. I'm really enjoying this area and the environment. I'm feeling, I don't know the right word to say now because I'm feeling pretty good here.
It's futuristic, and at the same time we're so close to the history of Dubai. Now this area has several projects. Where we are now is the only part where the apartments are spacious. Everything behind us on row number 2, number 3, we are talking about 30 to 40% smaller apartments. So this is very rare. Whoever buys this is usually looking for a long-term investment.
About the rent, for example, if an investor buys this property, and how much is the rent here for long term?
The rent, annual rent, is 135,000 dirhams, which is approximately 38,000 US dollars, if I did the calculation right. Now there are some people who put it on short-term rental, and this could be more in demand in the future. However, the price for this apartment is 2.5 million dirhams, which is less than 700,000 US dollars. It's affordable. Although we are getting the views, we are getting the space, we are getting the bigger kitchen, the home appliances. There's a lot of added value here. And did you see the amount of wardrobes in the bedroom, in the master bedroom? Beautiful option.
Russia, as I could see, it's a very family-friendly community. I'm really enjoying it. And it's just 4 kilometers from the airport and 10 minutes driving to downtown, correct?
That's true, that's true. We are close to everything that is important to reach. Being close to the airport isn't easy because all of the developments that are happening nowadays are happening towards Abu Dhabi side. So we are in the older part of Dubai, yet very close to downtown, to Business Bay, to the design district.
Perfect, because one of the reasons that I chose this part of Dubai because I want to show you the both sides. Because the other apartment that we will check is in downtown. And this one is here in Dubai Creek Harbor. That is this amazing neighborhood that we are showing you a bit, and we're talking, of course, about the market.
Yeah.
And Rasha, what are the costs to buy a property like this? To buy a property in Dubai, what are the costs?
Usually the price, which is in this case 2.5 million dirhams. Then we have 4% for land registration, because we need to register this property under the investor's name, and the cost for that is 4%. And then we have the trustee office fee, which is 4,200 dirhams. Else than that, the commission to the agency is between 1 and 2% of the property price.
Perfect, perfect. And 0% VAT.
We don't pay VAT on residential apartments. We are still a tax-free environment. We don't pay taxes here. So yeah, it's a great deal.
And the price here in dollars? More or less?
690,000 US dollars.
Great, great. It's a very nice area.
Yeah.
So I think that now you can check and see that this area, how good it is. But now we are going to downtown.
Yeah, here we are where you find tranquility, but still you are close to the business hub. You are close to the heart of Dubai.
Perfect, true. So let's go to downtown now. From the family-friendly area to the center of now. Welcome to downtown Dubai. We are in the heart of Dubai, where everything happens. We have many attractions here, like Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, that's the biggest shopping mall in the world. We have Dubai Fountain, we have many bars, restaurants, we have the boulevard that many tourists like. So why am I telling you these things? Because this kind of property, for example, it's a different kind of investment. It's safe all year round. Why, Swellen? Why? The reason is that because many tourists are coming and leaving all the time. So it's easy here if you can have a short term or a long term. So being in downtown is always a safe investment. So Russia, talking about downtown, of course, it's a different from the last project where we were. What's the best kind of property to invest here in this area?
First of all, we need to decide, are we talking about investment or for own usage? If we are talking about own usage, you don't want to miss the view over Burj Khalifa and the fountains. If we talk about investments, then we need to focus on 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. They are easier to rent out, no matter if it's short term, long term, and they are easier to resell.
And studios also in downtown?
We don't have many studios because Emar, the main developer, they stopped doing any studios years ago. So there isn't many studios here.
Perfect.
There aren't many studios.
And what's the average for a 1 bedroom apartment in downtown, for example?
From 1.5 million up to 3 million, we could say, based on the view, the unit size. Of course, when we have views over Burj Khalifa and the fountains, we talk about an increase between 700,000 to 1 million. If it's more spacious, of course, it will cost more. Then high floors are in demand in downtown. People love high floors here.
Because they can have this kind of view, for example.
Beautiful.
If you can see now in our background, look the buildings, look how downtown is beautiful at night, because we can have this amazing view. So I think it's one of the main reasons that people love downtown, not only because, of course, it's vibrant, and during the night is amazing, and walking on the boulevard and so on, but Dubai, when we are in downtown, is really the heart, because we really feel like alive here. It's amazing. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, Dubai is a place that welcomes different styles. It's a place that welcomes everyone. For sure, we showed you two different projects, one in the Dubai Creek Harbor and this one in downtown. But of course that there are many other areas, for example, for those who appreciate the sea, who likes to stay in a villa, for example. Dubai, it's a place that can welcome everyone, as I said. But an important thing that that I would like to discuss with you, Rasha, to finish our video, is about the areas. I mean, different kinds of projects. For sure, these one-bedroom apartment, not this one, I mean one-bedroom apartment in general in downtown is a good investment. It's safe.
For sure it is, for sure.
But for families, for example, as we are discussing, for families, what you can advise, for example, for those who want to relocate, to move to Dubai?
We always start with the question, where is the kids' school? To which school they will go, because you don't want the kids to spend 3 hours a day back and forth on their way to school and back home. So therefore we start with this. We do an inquiry for each and every family. Where do they work? So they are not stuck in traffic also. So
Perfect.
Usually if you want a villa, you need to go out from downtown between 15 minutes and 45 minutes.
So it's important for a family, for example, that would like to move to downtown, is to check where's the work and where is the school, so they can find a place that will match everything.
Exactly, and you said something very important, investment. Downtown is a great place for investment. 1 and 2 bedrooms apartment, easy to rent out, easy to resell.
Perfect.
And lovely to enjoy. Yeah.
Yes. So, before finishing this video with downtown Dubai in my background, let's talk about the property investor visa. For you that want to become an investor in Dubai, you need to reach 750,000 dirhams. That's more or less $200,000. And the good thing is that you can apply for this visa and be the sponsor of your family. Yes, you can sponsor your family, you can sponsor your spouse, children and parents. And for this visa, only residential properties qualify, not commercial properties. If you liked this video and if you want to know about other markets, please write below the market that you'd like to invest and you can make a video about it later. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.